Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the headlight bulb on 2001 GMC 2500 HD. Okay, let's get it started guys. So you see the clip in here, just pull it and lift it. Okay, just lift it both sides. 1 second, just pull it and lift it up. And next is very simple, just pull the headlights out. See it, just pull it out. This one I installed the LED one. Yes, so you see the headlight in here, I'm gonna upgrade it to the LED. Yes, so 1 second, and you see I just pull it out, and let me grab loose it, this one too. Okay, you see it right now, the headlight here is low beam one. I'm gonna upgrade it to the LED light. So just twist it out. This one is a regular halogen one, and this one is a LED one guys. So let me bring the LED one. I'm going to upgrade it. Customer said he cannot see it at night time. It's a problem, so we just try to upgrade it. And this one is just not that hard, just plug and play, you know. Which one, the bigger one? Oh, here you go. Bigger down there. It's plug and play. It's very simple. It's good now. It's in. Look it. See? It's in now, and it's time to put it back. Just plug it. Okay, let me see which one a positive. Oh, this one is a positive one. Plug it and plug it. Just put it back in. Put it back in. Just put it back in here, and you see the pen here, just put it back in. This one a little bit hard to put it. It's too rusty. Knock it down a little bit more, and this one is the last one. It's good right now. Okay, wait 1 second, let me turn on the light, make sure it's everything works. Okay guys, it's lighting up right now. So okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Any question, just let me know, and this is how to install it. Okay guys, thank you.